Imagine working as a janitor, driving an old beat-up car, wearing the same clothes every day, and everyone around you assumes you're broke. But what if, quietly, secretly, you were building an investment fortune worth $8 million? This is the unbelievable true story of Ronald Read, the janitor who became a self-made millionaire by doing something almost anyone can do, but most people never will. And the lesson hidden inside this story could change your financial life forever. Ronald Read was born in Vermont. He didn't inherit money. He didn't win the lottery. He didn't have a high-paying job. He worked as a gas station attendant for 25 years, then as a janitor at JCPenney. His income was small. His lifestyle was simple. People around him saw him as the average American who could barely save anything. But Ronald had one advantage most people overlook. He was extremely patient and extremely consistent. Every day after work, Ronald did something unexpected. Instead of going home to watch TV, he walked to the public library. He wasn't studying advanced mathematics or reading complicated Wall Street reports. He simply read basic books about investing and newspapers about companies he recognized from everyday life. Then he began doing something powerful. He saved small amounts of money, sometimes just $5 or $10 at a time, and invested into companies he knew and trusted. Companies he saw people using daily: Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, CVS, AT&T, Dow Chemicals, General Electric. No hype stocks, no risky bets, just solid, proven businesses. Ronald didn't try to get rich fast. He didn't time the market. He didn't panic during recessions. He bought stocks slowly, held them for decades, and reinvested every dividend. This simple strategy, repeated quietly for years, is what turned his tiny savings into serious wealth. People around him saw a janitor, but behind the scenes, without telling anyone, he was becoming a financial powerhouse. When Ronald Read died in 2014 at the age of 92, his family and the entire nation were stunned. The quiet janitor, the man with the old car, the man who dressed modestly, had a portfolio worth more than $8 million. He donated $6 million to his local hospital and the library where he learned everything about investing. News headlines all over America read, "Janitor leaves multi-million-dollar fortune." But the real message wasn't the money he had. It was how he built it. Ronald Read proved that you don't need a high income, special connections, perfect timing, or genius-level intelligence to become wealthy. You only need discipline, a long-term mindset, consistency, and the willingness to invest even small amounts faithfully. Most people underestimate what $10 can become over years of compounding. But Ronald understood it, and his life shows that wealth doesn't come for what you earn. It comes for what you keep, what you invest, and how long you allow it to grow. So if you're listening to this, remember, you don't have to be rich to start investing. You just have to start. Because even a janitor, saving a few dollars at a time, can become a millionaire in America. If you enjoyed this story, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs financial inspiration. And tell me in the comments, what financial habit are you working on this year?